Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. It's a pleasure to welcome you to our session, From IoT to Intelligent Digital Twins, integrating APS, AI, and Autodesk Tandem for real-time building operations.
Hello, my name is Natália Barros. I am architect at Sondotécnica.
And I'm Heloisa Alberge. I'm also an architect and urban planning here at Sondotécnica Engineering. We are both from Brazil. In this presentation, we will begin with an introduction to the key challenges and concepts of digital twins. Next, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to create the digital twin system architecture. We will then demonstrate how to set up a digital twin and configure a dashboard in Autodesk Tandem to visualize real-time data, such as AI-powered people counting and environmental comfort metrics. After that, we will show how to use Autodesk Tandem Connect to send automated notifications via Microsoft Teams. Finally, we'll discuss the key benefits and strategic impacts of digital twins. We'll start by introducing the key points. One of today's key challenges is maintaining comfort in workspaces. Usually, the occupants only report issues once discomfort sets in, prompting a reactive call to the operational team. At the same time, operations team often lack a clear understanding of how spaces are actually used. Without real-time data, decisions end up based on guesswork. This is where digital twins comes in. They provide visibility, enable data-driven decision-making based on real behavior rather than assumptions. These are challenges that many professionals face every day. These challenges prevent us from gaining clear visibility into what's really happening with the asset. After all, what we can't measure, we can't manage. Digital twins provide us with vision, memory, and prediction, all within a single platform. A digital twin consists of three core components. First, the physical environment. Second, the virtual environment. And third, the data flow that connects them. These two spaces are linked through a bidirectional connection that keeps them synchronized and enables the change of control data between the physical and digital worlds. We implemented our digital twin at TechLab, Sondotécnica's Technology and Innovation Hub. Let's now leave the Autodesk DevCon venue and travel to downtown São Paulo, Brazil, a neighborhood rich in history, culture, and architecture, with buildings that reflect the city's legacy. TechLab is more than just an office filled with desks and computers. It is a creative space where we explore new technologies and conduct experiments. Additionally, TechLab serves as a venue for presentations and workshops, welcoming clients and fostering innovation. It also includes 4 smaller rooms designed to board and management meetings. In other words, TechLab functions as both a workplace and an innovation laboratory, allowing ideas to move quickly from concept to practice.
We will present the digital twin system implementation. First, we captured the physical environment using Matterport, a 3D scanning system that combines images with spatial sensing. This generates a navigable virtual environment, precise spatial measurements, and a point cloud representation the as-built conditions. Then the point cloud was cleaned, optimized, and classified to identify architectural and aesthetic elements. Finally, we developed BIM model from the point cloud, modeling all building elements and adding aesthetic attributes and semantic information. Second, we collect data related to indoor environmental quality and aesthetic management. To do this, we installed a noise sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, energy consumption sensor, and cameras throughout the environment. They send information packets in JSON containing fields such as ID, timestamp, temperature, humidity, among others, to IoT Gateway. This gateway is responsible for locally processing the data. It's built with a Raspberry Pi board. In addition, 2 cameras were installed in strategic spots in the office to count people in real time. The AI model used is YOLO AI. The system records the highest number of people detected and calculates the average confidence level for the detection. The results include the camera ID, timestamp, location, number of people detected, AI model, and method used, and are sent to Gateway. After receiving the data, the IoT Gateway sends the data via HTTP request to the API, hosted on Microsoft Azure. A TypeScript code developed by Sondotécnica receives, processes, and stores the sensor data. Each sensor or camera is identified by 2 main keys that facilitate organization and visualization in Autodesk Tandem and in the database. A MAC address, which ensures the unique hardware identification, and a unique name to identify the device. The payload then follows 2 simultaneous flows. First, the data is stored in the PostgreSQL database within Azure. And second, it's sent to Autodesk Tandem, linking it to the TechLab Office digital twin. In the Autodesk Tandem, we link the IoT data to BIM model, creating the digital twin, where we visualize real-time data. Each object within the BIM model comes with detailed information, such as materials, dimensions, and inventory numbers. The digital twin displays real-time data collected from IoT sensors. Each balance represents an IoT sensor. Additionally, the platform can showcase heatmaps and charts, which aid to analyze and monitor environmental conditions. You can see the dashboard to view the BIM model, real-time data, compare temperature and humidity across different areas, and access a detailed historical data for improving monitoring and traceability. And finally, we'll show you how to configure Autodesk Tandem Connect to send automatic notifications via Microsoft Teams. To connect Tandem to Teams, we used 5 plugins in Autodesk Tandem Connect. The first is the scheduled data stream, which runs the pipeline every 2 minutes. The second is the Autodesk Tandem Service plugin, which connects directly to the digital twin. We used the option Retrieve Stream Time Series Data to bring in the sensory history, and after we used 2 converters. The first converter filters the data, keeping only the last 5 minutes of temperature readings. A second converter sets the alert rules, like the maximum temperature and the message that will be sent. Finally, the Microsoft Teams plugin sends the alert messages to a channel, We just pass the webhook URL from Teams to Tandem Connect, and the alerts are sent automatically. After configuring everything, you can receive alerts directly in Teams, and also see temperature differences in Tandem and on the dashboard. This allows real-time visualization of the collected data. So, when a sensor detects a temperature above normal, the change appears in the digital twin and on the dashboard. And an alert message is sent directly to Teams. In short, the architecture of the digital twin system consists of 4 layers. The perception layer focuses on data collection, includes activities, sensors, and communication components. The data layer involves cloud storage, which holds the BIM model and the data collected from the sensors. The service layer embraces analysis services, where artificial intelligence algorithms process and analyze the data. Finally, the application layer provides you real-time data visualization within the Autodesk Tandem's environment and sends notifications via Microsoft Streams from Autodesk Connect.
To conclude, I would like to highlight 5 key points. First, the necessity of a multidisciplinary team. Building an intelligent digital twin isn't just a technical challenge. It requires collaboration between architects, software developers, data engineers, and operations professionals. Integration only works when diverse expertise come together. Second, this is a low-cost and scalable solution. By using IoT sensors, edge processing, and Autodesk Platform Service, we built a robust architecture without heavy infrastructure investments. The intelligence comes from smart integration, not from expensive hardware. Third, the solution enables data-driven decision-making. Instead of relying on assumptions, facility managers can act based on live environmental and occupancy data directly connected to the digital twin. Fourth, real-time notifications enable rapid response. Through automated workflows, alert trigger immediately when thresholds are exceeded, reducing response time and preventing operational issues before they escalate. Fifth, this is just the beginning. The next step is expanding monitoring to incorporate additional variables such as energy consumption, water usage, and predictive analytics, moving toward a more autonomous and intelligent building ecosystem. Ultimately, the digital twin is no longer just a model. It becomes a powerful decision support system.
I'd like to thank this amazing and highly skilled team that supported us in building the digital twin. Our team includes a BIM specialist, a system analyst, a process data specialist, and an IoT and AI specialist. So thank you so much for your attention.
Thank you.